my dear followers, so today we continue our work with CCI indicator. So I would like to remember you how you should work with this indicator. So usually we have two steps for overbought and oversold conditions. So on the screen basically we have two levels, green level and red level, and of course we have the market line. So what we gotta do right now, we are waiting when the blue line will cross the red line, and actually it crossed the red level. So I've just opened put call option, not put call option. And why? Because right here we see, and remember this step, when the market line crosses the red unit, the red level, the red line, and the direction is growing up, that is good moment for you to open call option. Basically that's all. Vice versa, when you see that the market line crosses green level and the direction is falling down, that is good moment for you to buy put option. So as usual, my amount it is $100, and actually that is that's all for now. I'm waiting. Expiration time lasts 1 minute. Grow up, baby, come on. So not successful beginning, but I want to say that almost. And $250 I've just opened call option, because right here we see that the market line moving average crossed the red level and the direction is growing up. So basically the market, my predictions that the market will grow up. Really good, 162. So you see I've covered that I lost, and right now I'm gonna make my next deal. So right now I go back to my initial position, $100. It is always in my case, and I'm waiting for the another moment. Loss $100. So I'm gonna do the same thing, 250. I don't want to give up today. And the same 250, I just opened call option. The market line crossed the red line, the red level. Okay, $162. That is really good. So basically you see how you have to work with the CCI indicators. Please tell me what actually do you think about this indicator. Maybe there are many better indicators than this. So I'm waiting for your personal comments. Don't forget to put your like, subscribe to my channel, and see ya on the next time. Bye.